So this is the first enactment, which is using cushions to symbolise primary and secondary suffering. So the person will sit with one cushion on their lap, which is their primary suffering, and then other people will pile secondary cushions on top, other cushions on top, which is the secondary suffering. And it's a very good way of getting a felt sense of the weight of the secondary suffering. And then at the end, that person can let go of all the other cushions and just come back to the primary suffering.
Okay, this is an enactment to demonstrate how people can have primary and secondary suffering and what you can do about it. So I've asked Lynn, our star here, to be the person with a condition, and she's suffering. She's got a primary condition, which is, I think in this case, chronic fatigue.
Chronic fatigue, yes.
And this represents her primary suffering, so it's just resting there on her lap. She can't get rid of it. It's just the primary condition. So she's living her life with this primary condition, which wouldn't be too bad. Well, it would be bad enough, but unfortunately it's not as simple as that, because other things start coming in to impinge on her life. So maybe we could have a few impingements.
Oh, I'm exhausted. Nobody thinks there's anything wrong with me.
I wish I wasn't so tired every day.
My life is complete mess.
I'm just not going to have any friends.
How's your life feeling now, Lynn?
Heavy.
Now my knee hurts. What's going to become of me?
Oh no.
I'm feeling so alone.
I'm sleeping all day, then I can't sleep at night.
Oh, it's really getting heaped up now.
I'm feeling panicky.
I'm not depressed, they don't understand.
Are you feeling a little bit swamped by your secondary suffering?
I'm feeling totally overwhelmed.
So what do you think you could do with it?
Let it go.
Wow. And what have you got left?
My condition.
Okay, but you look a lot freer now.
This feels manageable.
Yeah.
Yeah, lighter.
Okay.